Welcome to Second Take, the show that focuses on the issues behind the news. Mining Weekly editor Martin Creamer joins me today to unpack the latest news in the mining industry. Welcome, Martin.
Thanks, Ashley.
Now, can you tell us about Anglo American Platinum's backing green hydrogen's global advance?
Fantastic funding. The last circuit of funding, one presumes, has been afforded by several big groups. You have Anglo American Platinum, you have AP Ventures, which is also South African linked, but also a lot of other international groups backing hydrogenious in what I think is a sensational technology. I've been watching this since 2014 and it's really emerging. What it really means is that you can use existing infrastructure, I repeat, existing infrastructure to transport green hydrogen, because the hydrogenous LOHC gives it a oily skin. So it's almost like a diesel. So your existing pipelines, so your existing tanks, your existing tankers, your existing train wagons, everything that you use there, you can transport the hydrogen. But that is still part of the transport. What about trading? You can now, if it's like oil, you can trade it like oil. So that'll be a massive change in the world if there can be a breakthrough at an international scale. Hopefully it'll start in Germany. We see it moving in Germany now where hydrogenious is based, but there are a lot of eyes on it. And if we can be associated with that from the start, it'll be a fantastic boost for our platinum group metals economy, our hydrogen fuel cells economy, because it'll mean that you can transport green hydrogen in the same way as you transport oil and gas now.
And DRDGold's projects are advancing as its 2028 vision gets a massive boost from the gold price.
You know, while the gold price is so high, it's sky high, we really need to do everything we can on the gold front. We used to be the biggest gold producers, but at the moment we've still got dumps where there's gold. And, you know, companies like DRDGold can go in there and get that. Other companies, Pan-African Resources, can do that. All of them must really go for it in a big way, because that gold price is funding this very, very well. We know of Ergo, it's been there for a long time, but what is happening now is really Ergo 2. You know, we're getting a great new life coming out of that. There's also a new storage facility. So these projects are going ahead at a time when they need to go ahead. If you go on the far West Rand, you've got similar opportunities, Driefontein 2 coming through. We need to give this gold every support we can in South Africa, because it can boost our foreign exchange. We know the industry, we've got the gold refinery. The more gold we can put through here, the better.
And lastly, all South Africans need to pull together to uplift the economy to a new level that benefits everybody.
You know, the situation in the world is chaotic, but as someone was saying yesterday, it has been stable in many areas. So we needn't look at the chaos. We need to look at where the opportunities are. Geopolitically, there are opportunities. In our energy sector, there are opportunities. In digitization, we've got quite an insight there. We can really advance on that. And tourism, I mean, we should really be going for that in a big way. So what we are seeing happening is that we might have to go into new areas of activity, but we should do that with great confidence. We should have a lot of service in our heart, because I think the service in our heart at the moment will mean that we get foreign exchange flow. And public-private getting together, it must be at every single level. We can come out of this situation that looks disrupted. We can come out of it very well if we work together, despite the thumps some people want to give us.
Thanks for speaking with us, Martin.
Great pleasure, Fasni.
That's it for today. Join us again next week for more news analysis on the local and global mining industry. And don't forget to listen to the audio version of our Mining Weekly daily email newsletter.